Jai Hind students, national income and its aggregates, part 8 video. So, expenditure method measures final expenditure on gross domestic product at market price during a period of 1 year, and final expenditure is the expenditure made on consumption and investment. So you know that aggregate demand you had studied in determination of income and employment chapter. Aggregate demand consists of two things, consumption and investment. So steps for estimating national income. So first step is identification of economic units incurring final expenditure. So which are the economic units? It is household sector, B producer sector, and government sector, rest of the world. So classification of final expenditure is the next step. So you have to understand the which and all expenditure have been taking place in the economy. You have to understand. So first point is you had studied in this which chapter? Determination of income and employment. That is first one, private final consumption expenditure. So it's one of the factor or component. So second is government final consumption expenditure. So it's said as GFCE. So next is gross domestic capital formation, GDCF. GDCF, if it is not given, it will be given in split steps as a GDCF equal to gross business fixed investment. So you have to add plus the gross residential construction investment plus gross public investment plus inventory investment. So otherwise it will be given that gross domestic fixed capital formation. So you have to add with the change in stock, then only you will get a GDCF. Okay, so here next is GDCF. If it is not given, the NDCF will be given. You have to add depreciation to convert this net to gross. So next is GDCF, another form will be given. If it is not directly given, NDFCF plus a change in stocks plus depreciation you have to do. So otherwise it will be given in the form of this. So you can just see here one thing. These all are the alternatives which will be given in the question instead of this GDCF. So next component is net exports. Okay, so net exports, how will you find if exports and imports are given in the question? You have to subtract export minus import, then you will be getting the net exports. So next is how measurement of final expenditure is found or as per the expenditure method. As you know that first you have to find GDP MP. So what is to be added to find this? That is the question it will be given private final consumption expenditure PFCE plus government final consumption expenditure GFCE plus gross domestic final capital formation, that is GDCF, or if it is not given, it will be given, that is DDFCF. So you have to add with the change in stock, then you will be getting GDCF. And another component is net exports. So it is not given directly, it will be given export and import. So you have to subtract and find. So you will be getting GDP MP. Hope you understood. So we can go to the problems. So in the text there are several problems, so you can work out some problems I may explain. First one is government final. The question is given GDP MP and national income is to be founded. So you have to PFCE is given in the question as a 3,500. Then 4,000 as a GFCE is given, that is government final consumption expenditure, and GDCF is given as a gross domestic capital formation, that is 1,100. Then 500 is net exports. So you will be adding these to find GDP MP. So what will be the answer? So it's 9,100 is the answer. So next question, next part of the question is national income. So how will you find the national income? You have to add a N, that is to finding NNPFC. NNPFC, what you have to do, you have to convert you have to this GDP MP is given, so you have to convert the remaining portion. So equal to GDP MP is given. So what you have to do, you have to convert G gross to net. So you have to subtract this depreciation, and then after that domestic product to national product you will be adding NFIA, and you will be finding next that is market price to factor cost. You have to what you have to do, you have to subtract this NIT, okay. So what will be the answer? So equal to 9,100 minus 120 minus plus 100 minus 300 is given in the question. Then is equal to, what is the answer? 8,780 is the answer. Hope you understood it. So this is another question. So it has to find the GDP MP. Okay, second question, to find GDP MP. How will you calculate? Here a private consumption expenditure is given as 15,000. So you can directly write the answer. Then what is given? Government consumption expenditure is also given. Then you can also add that. Then what is given? GD, that is gross domestic capital formation, is not given. Instead of that you have, it is given as gross fixed capital formation. So what you have to do, gross fixed capital formation is given, then you have to add with that is gross domestic fixed capital formation is given, you have to add with the change in stock, then only you will be getting the answer. As you know what you have to do while this gross domestic fixed capital is given, you had studied in it. So you have to add with the gross domestic fixed capital, you can see in yellows. So you have to add with change in stock. So you add with the change in stock. So what will you get? That is 1,000 plus that is change in stock is not given, instead of increase in stock is given. So you have to add both. So what is the answer? 1,200 is the answer. Then plus net exports is given, export minus import you have to do. What will be the answer? Export minus import, it will be minus 200. Minus 200 is the answer. Then after solving that you will be getting the answer 27,500. 27,500. Hope you understood. So see another question, students. Given following data, find the values of government final consumption expenditure and mixed income of self-employed. You have to find from that. So national income is given, so you have to subtract the other factors and find it. Let us see how can we find it. So for that you know that for in the income method you are using this mixed income of self-employed. So you have to just first find other factors, then you have to substitute from that the answers. So what is the formula? COE plus OS. You have to find NDPFC. So what is the answer? COE plus OS plus MI. At first in income method you have to find NDPFC. You remember that. So in the question you can see in the only this COE is given as wages 1500 and 3000 is given as operating surplus. MI is not given. You have to find the answer. So you have to just write 1500 plus 3000 plus MI. You put it like that only. Okay. Then you just add these two and you write as MI like that only. So how much will be the answer? 4500 is the answer. So you will be getting NDPFC as a 4500 plus MI. So what is the formula for national income? NDPFC plus NFIA. So NDPFC is given. So you have to find. So that is you can just write the notation. Then only you will recognize it. So NNPFC is the notation of national income. Do you remember that? So how will you have to just make a change. That is, you have to change DP to NP. So you have to add NFIF to the given answer. So NDPFC you had national income is given in the question as 7100. You write like that, and then you will be getting you have to substitute instead of NDPFC 4500 plus this MI, then plus NFIA is given in the question as NFIA is given in the question as 100. Then write 100. Then what will be the answer? You have to just add the other terms and subtract it with the 7100. Then you will be getting MI. So at last you will be getting the answer as 2500. So mixed income has got as 2500. Then you have to find the government final consumption expenditure. It can be only founded by the expenditure method. So how will we do it? Just look it. So you know that in expenditure method you have to find GDP MP. So formula is PFCE plus GFCE plus GDCF plus net exports. So what and all are given we can see. So here in the question national income is given. Then you can see gross domestic capital formation is given. Then private consumption expenditure, final consumption expenditure is given. So these and all factors are given. So we can do how will we find the problem. So students, you have the following values you have to add and you will be finding the answer as 5500 plus GFCE. So you have to find the GFCE. So what is the formula for NNP? To find NNPFC you have to write that, and then you have to, as previously what you had done, you can find the rest of the value and then you can subtract the value and find a GFCE. Okay, let's see. So you have to in the question you have, it is given national income as 7100. Then substitute the values like we had done previously, then find the answer. So how will you convert it? Just see. So to find the answer you have to first write the NNPFC, that is the national income 7100, then equal to the GDPMP. You have found the answer 5500 plus that GFCE. So just write the same answer here, 5500 plus GFCE, then minus depreciation, which is the depreciation, that is consumption of fixed capital. It is given as 300. Then you can write the answer 300 here. Then plus what? NFIA. So NFIA, what is the answer? NFIA 100. So plus 100. Then minus NIT. What is the answer? NIT is given as 200. You have to substitute the values from the question. Then in the question it is given, you have to do the further things to solve the answer. So you will be getting the answer 7100 equal to this by adding the as per the BODMAS rule, you have to add the things. So you will be getting 5600, then plus GFCE. Then you can subtract the values, minus 300, then minus 200. So at last you will be getting the answer 7100 equal to 5100 plus GFCE. So then what will be the GFCE? GFCE is equal to 7100 minus 5100. So answer is equal to 2000 will be the GFCE. Hope you understood the problem. Similarly, one more question I will be giving you as a homework. So it's an important question. So this has to be studied. Don't forget. It is that is 2019 question. The similar question was asked. One more question in another set was asked. So that I will be giving you as homework the question, students. So you do this question as homework. So in this question you have to find a gross domestic capital formation and operating surplus. So you can find operating surplus by income method, and this gross domestic capital formation by expenditure method. So hope you will be finding the answer and sending to me. Thank you. We will meet next Tuesday.